In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some highlights even if you're not tech savvy. Super simple, easiest thing ever. Let me show you. Okay, so I have to show you this in a free version of Canva because I forget that a lot of you don't quite have the paid version. You're gonna do it in about 5 seconds or so. So you're gonna type in highlight and look at the first things that come up. Instagram story highlight cover. You don't even have to type it in. So I'm gonna click on that. And here is where you can literally find whatever you want. I highly recommend that you keep it very simple if you wanna decorate this. And you are not gonna be looking to do these highlights and customizing way too much. You need to just get it done and tweak it just enough. But the point of this is to get things done. We're not going to procrastinate. So I'm personally going to click on this one because it looks versatile to avoid something like this because it's just hard to read. And we're going to show you how to customize it. So when you're here in the back, the super cool thing about this, and all you're going to do is change the colors and all. The super fun part about Canva is that they know what it is that you're looking for. So let's say that this isn't really for you and maybe you're like more of a fitness gal or whatever you want. You can go in here and the for you gives you some super cool options. So let's say that this one isn't for me and this one's more my jam. Cool. So I'm going to use that instead. Let's just say that that was my preference. So that's something that you can also take a look at. So let's get started with editing these. It's actually very simple. All you're gonna do is change a background to your liking. Let's say that I absolutely love, this dark, and I can change my entire highlights to that right here on the bottom where it says change all. So now all of them are changed that color, but we want to also change the little icon. So I'm gonna make sure that it does pop. So you can do something that pops, something that's your brand color. And let's say yellow is your brand color. So that's perfect. But let's say that something like a dumbbell isn't on here. So I'm gonna go into elements and look for that element. There you go. So I want it to look pretty similar to the rest. I'm gonna make sure that it has my same color, tweak it if I have to, after everything looks good. Download that. Once you download everything, you can email it to yourself or you can airdrop them if you have an Apple laptop or anything like that. I will be continuing to bring more videos like this, but tell me in the comments, do you like the longer form videos or do you like the super quick tip 3 to 5 minute tutorials? I'll see you in the next video.